We will going to integrate N8N and Pinecone together in this video. Hey guys, so let's see how you can integrate N8N with your Pinecone. So you all know that Pinecone basically is a company that help you to store and retrieval the vector database. In nutshell, all you need to understand is that all your data are basically converted into a vector, and this vector need to be stored, okay, in vector database. So this functionality to help you to store your vector database, okay, so this functionality is provided by various companies, and one of them is Pinecone. This help you to store your vector data. So let's see how you can integrate Pinecone with N8N integration. So first log into N8N, click on credentials here, top, click on create credentials and just search for uh, uh, Pinecone. Oh sorry, okay, just go here, Pinecone. Okay, just go here, tap here, click on continue button, and it will ask you for your API key. So for that we need to sign up to the Pinecone. So in case you don't know, just search for Pinecone, okay, on your browser. Go to this Pinecone.io, the vector database. Okay, this helps you to store all your vectors. Okay, now for now you can go with any one of the plan. Even the startup plan is sufficient for most of the learning purpose. Okay, so you can go with any one of them, but generally speaking, when you actually go and create for your client, so at that time it's suitable for the standard plan, but for now the starter, the free plan is sufficient. Okay, so you can simply click on the sign up button here. It will take you over here. Okay, you can simply sign up with your Google and all, okay, or your email. So I will straightforward go with Google, Microsoft, whatever you want to go with, and I will go and sign up to Pinecone. That's how easy it is. Let's wait. Awesome, so this is done over here. Now all you need to do is to type, let's say, your name. So it's not compulsory to provide this, and for what purpose, let's say for personal purpose you can even, but this will not going to matter for you. Preferred, let's say, any language you can go with. Okay, let's click on the continue use case. You can simply let's skip all this stuff, and once you do that, you can see your API key is by default generated. So you can copy it, okay, like this, and make sure you can even save it. Okay, um, and then you can close it. By the way, from here you can create index, and there all your vector database will be stored. But let's say if you go to API key here, so one is by default created just now when we created the account. Okay, and you can even create, let's say, new API key. Let's say I put, let's say, N8N. Okay, once you do this, click on create key, and again you can see a new key you can generate. Just copy it and go here, remove all these things, paste your key, click on save button, and boom, here you can see connected, tested successfully. Now you can use let's say Pinecone and okay, inside your N8N, and we have successfully integrated it. Okay, and one more thing, ever if you want more integrations to all learn, make sure that you go to the library in my website kukucourses.com, free library, and here you will see this N8N credentials and integration. Simply click on the view button, and here you can see all the tutorials. Okay, like if you want to connect Google, so you can watch this video, click on view button, it will show the tutorial how you can connect Google services with N8N. If you click on this one, so it will show you how you can connect OpenAI with N8N and much more. But for now we have successfully integrated N8N with our Pinecone. Okay, now we can easily be able to store all our datas, okay, or vector datas inside Pinecone. Okay, you can simply click on the home page. Awesome, so now you have integrated Pinecone and N8N together. Now just go to my website in case if you want to actually learn the complete workflow, how anything works, what is reg, and how to store data, vector data to Pinecone and all such things. So you can simply go to courses and just search here for N8N. Okay, and you will going to see this N8N automation for AI agent masterclass full course. Okay, you can just go over to this course, and that's amazing. And in this course we have just covered each and everything. Okay, so you can just go ahead, you can just see the complete curriculum here. So each and everything we will going to cover over here. Okay, and the best part is that this particular course is available in $5. Okay, just the one time payment. Also you have the option to purchase the membership with $20 per year or with the lifetime. Okay, so that's totally up to you. By the way, if you want to get a membership, you can simply click on get membership over here in the pricing table, and this is the place. Here you can see we have a popular and best value for money deal, which is lifetime deal just for dollar for 50 approx. You can get the complete access to all the courses we have in our website. Okay, including AI agent course with anything. So you can just go over to all the courses and see, just very powerful. So just make sure that if you're interested, so you can grab our anything course as well.